Hi guys, I'm Riri and welcome to another video. So today, nandito kami sa Carles and pupunta kami sa Gigantes Norte.
North Gigantes Island is a very underrated tourist spot. Most people will only visit Islas de Gigantes for a day tour island hopping. If you want to level up your experience, I suggest that you stay a couple of days in one of the islands, the Gigantes Norte. The island has so much to offer aside from island hopping. If you are curious about other activities you can do, where to stay, where to eat while on the island, you may check my playlists. This video is your guide on DIY travel to North Gigantes Island. Of course, I will share with you the breakdown of our expenses for a 5 days, 4 nights stay. We booked a flight going to Roxas City Airport because the travel time by land is shorter compared to Iloilo City Airport. We booked the earliest flight available with Cebu Pacific. Unfortunately, our flight was delayed for a few hours. But that's totally fine. I was able to enjoy my free sandwich while reading my book. And just like that, touchdown Roxas City. Just outside the airport, there are tricycles available that will bring you to the bus terminal. From the terminal, you have an option to ride a bus or a van. We opted for a bus because we wanted a wider legroom. While on the road, you may take a nap or enjoy the scenery. It's really up to you. Make sure to mention to the driver or conductor to drop you off in Balasan. Your landmark is the Gaisano capital. Once you are in Balasan, ride a tricycle going to Bangkal Port. I know it's quite a ride, so grab some refreshments and snacks while in Bangkal Port. And don't forget to pay for the environmental fee at the tourism office. We are almost there. We just have to ride a boat going to Gigantes Norte. The key to have a smooth travel is to know the schedule of public boats, normally morning and afternoon. I suggest you book your accommodation in advance and they can be your point of contact and source of information. They can also give you the available schedule or you may ask them for help so that they can arrange a private boat for you.
So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Bangkal Port and dito yung sakayan natin ng bangka papunta dun sa Gigantes North. Normally, dito din yung jump off point ng mga nag-island hopping. So dito din sa Bangkal, ito yung bagsakan ng mga fish and scallops.
So sit back and enjoy the view. You'll get the glimpse of nearby islands that were included in island hopping. So definitely hindi ka mababagot while you are on the boat ride. We were dropped off at the beachfront of our accommodation because this is a private boat. Huge thanks to the family who allowed us to join them, and we only paid the same fare as the public boat. So in short, nakisabay kami sa kanila. Oh, by the way, there are 2 routes available going to North Gigantes Island. And syempre, hindi ko kayo titipirin. I will share with you the other route as well. On our way home to Manila, we took the other route. And if you want to know which route is better, just keep on watching.
So there it is, 6:15 in the morning, and mga 6:30 or 6:45 kami susunduin ni Kuya Boy. At so tambayin na muna kami dito sa may liwanag. Tambay muna kami dito sa may wifi, piso wifi. Check ako ng email, baka alam mo na baka cancel din flight namin. By hook or by crook, kailangan namin makauwi ng Manila. So sana hindi naman canceled. So ayan guys, it's 7:18 and pauwi na tayo. Punta tayo ng estansya. So nandito tayo sa Langob Port. At pauwi, tatry natin sa may estansya naman tayo. Doon tayo sasakay tricycle, tapos bus papunta ng Rojas.
If you will take the public boat, make sure to check the schedule a day before your trip. We were advised by Kuya Boyet that there are more trips available going to and from Estancia Port compared to Bangkal Port. If Bangkal Port has 2 schedules, Estancia Port has 3. Most locals will go to Estancia Port because of establishments near the area like bank, pharmacy, shopping mall, pawn shop, etc. The travel time from Langob Port going to Estancia Port is almost the same as Bangkal Port. There are tricycles available in Estancia Port. Just tell the driver to drop you off at Estancia Bus Terminal. Again, you have an option to ride a bus or a van. This time, we opted to ride the van because we were advised by the driver that the last stop is at the Rojas City Airport. So, ibig sabihin, hindi na kami sasakay ng tricycle.
So ayan guys, around 12 nandito na kami sa may Rojas Airport. And since 4 PM pa yung flight namin, we decided na kumain na lang muna dito. Since ito yung first meal namin of the day. Isang tapas silog, tsaka isang spam silog. 120 yung isang order. Tapos 75 yung pachoy. Spam silog, tapas silog, pachoy.
At this point, probably you already know which is the best DIY route going to North Gigantes Island. And your guess is right. It is the Estancia Port. Estancia Port is the best route for 2 reasons. Number 1, there are more schedules available for public boats. Meron sa umaga, tanghali, at sa hapon. And second, the total travel time is a bit shorter. If you will take the Bangkal port, the total travel hours will be 4 hours and 30 minutes. And if you will take the Estancia port, the travel time is 3 hours and 45 minutes. Just a little fun fact, our very own Miss Universe 2018 Catriona Gray chose to feature the beauty of this island in her video during the pageant competition. Gigantes Norte is not a typical travel destination. There is no quote-unquote easy way to experience its beauty. You will have to travel by air, by land, and by sea. And once you reach the island, I'm sure you'll be captivated by its simplicity and peaceful vibe.
Okay, so touchdown Manila, and that's the end of our 5 days trip to saan na tayo nagpunta? Gigantes Island. To Gigantes Island. And special shout out kina special thanks kina Kuya Boyet, kay Kuya Noel, kay Kuya Kid, Melvin. So, Kuya Boyet, Kuya Noel, Kuya Melvin. Hindi magiging ganito ka-adventurous yung Gigantes Island tour namin or adventure namin kung hindi dahil sa kanila. And we're really grateful for that opportunity. Parang blessing kayo sa amin. Thank you so much. See you on our next adventure. So, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below kung ano yung pinaka-favorite ninyo dun sa naging adventure namin sa Gigantes Island. And don't forget to subscribe. Jare!